Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play custom campaigns in Warcraft 3. To begin, you will need to acquire the campaign files. Many community websites offer a vast selection of user-created content. Look for files ending in .w3n or .w3m, which are the standard formats. Always download from reputable sources to ensure file integrity and a smooth experience. This initial step is crucial for enjoying new adventures. Once you have your campaign files, the next step is installation. Navigate to your Warcraft 3 game directory, usually found in your program files. Within this main folder, you must locate or create a subfolder specifically named Campaigns. This folder is where all your custom campaign files, like the .w3n files, need to reside. Proper placement ensures the game can recognize and load them correctly. With your campaign files correctly installed, it is time to launch the game. Open Warcraft 3 as you normally would. From the main menu, navigate to the single-player section. Here, you will find an option labeled Custom Campaigns. Click on this, and a list of your installed campaigns will appear. Simply select the one you wish to play, and your new adventure will begin. If you encounter issues, first double-check that your campaign files are in the correct Campaigns folder and are not corrupted. Some custom campaigns might have specific installation notes or require additional steps, so always read their descriptions carefully. For optimal performance and to avoid potential conflicts, ensure your game is updated to the latest patch. Enjoy exploring the vast world of custom Warcraft 3 campaigns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.